guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beng and BengAdventures. So in this video, I will teach how to make the thumbnail impressive, clear, and searchable thumbnail. So I will show you. So here it is. First, you need the app to upload the app, PicArts, and then there you can edit your thumbnail like this one mine. So I just put my photo here, this one, just add here, add a photo, and then next one I choose already, and then I use the cut, this one, and then you just use the person, and then you will this one, and then you write your thumbnail, where you go, or what's your title. Example, live on Sunday, like this. You can add see this one, the color, you choose the color which you want. So parang hindi siya see, I just use white as my background. So the background can also choose here. The PicArt, I use this app for my edit, the thumbnail and everything, and then I'll make my video in Inshot like this. And then you can add you see there is the stroke. Right, I choose black so it will be more visible and clear. And then I choose the shadow to make it very effective. Use the color, example white, but I'll use this one, the yellow green, like this, so it become more nice. And then you can use this one if you want to curve, or like this, whatever you want to. With me, I just use like this, or just straight, to make more art. Napaka-artistic kasi. Ganyan, maganda na ba siya? And then live on Sunday, and then BengAdventures, my channel, I'll put here. Then I will choose because there's in PicArts have many, can use the edit. You can explore your PicArts. And then I will go to Radiant. It will be like this. Change the color, green, or here, white and green, or red and white. This one, but hindi siya makikita. It is visible. Should be dark color, maybe black and green. It's impressive. And then I make the shadow green. You see, you can see it. And then on Sunday, 8 to 9 p.m. because I will make my live pasasalamat on 8 to 9 or 9 a.m. not p.m. rather. And then just that 8 to 9. Oh, by the way, there is an A on the side. Make it again. 8 to 9 a.m. Yeah. And then you can make it small. You can choose the front what you want. It's only you. Just choose in the color and white. Like this. Everything bigger. That's the simple stuff. 8 to 9 a.m. Just put in here. Hindi siya masyado 8 to 9, or we'll make it this one. If possible, make it clear. Kasi banana yung background ko eh. 8 to 9 a.m. hindi siya ano. It's like that. 8 to 9 a.m. Then I will choose a stroke black so it will become very clear. Yeah, that. Yeah. More prices. More games with prices. Just like that. And then I'll put here. Go to stroke. Yeah. So, diba? It's easy and quick. And I do it also on my photo. Just cut, then I give the just like this. So on the shadow I choose black because it's a photo. So just like that, and then apply, because this one is free. Apply, what happened? Or I just usually, because this one is free, and then I don't want to pay, so just cut. I have the screenshot and cut, and then done, and save into my gallery. So we'll find here. Yeah, it's here. Here, what I make. This one I make for my on Sunday. You see? And then that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe on my channel. This is Beng and BengAdventures. Thank you so much.